IBM HyperProtect Offline Signing Orchestrator. Digital assets are electronic value representations of currencies and tokens, which are cryptographically secured to transact on a distributed ledger technology commonly known as blockchain. As the ecosystem matures, more and more and eventually all assets are subject to be tokenized. According to a BCG report, tokenization of global illiquid assets is estimated to be a $16 trillion business opportunity by 2030. To secure digital assets, many retail and commercial banks, as well as independent digital asset custodians, use digital wallets to hold and manage their cryptographic keys. The private keys that are used to sign transactions are generally stored in either a hot wallet or a cold wallet. A hot wallet connects to the internet to enable faster and more frequent transactions, but is more vulnerable to cyber threats, theft, or key compromise. A cold wallet is physically isolated and completely offline to ensure security, but less efficient due to arduous processes that limit the speed and volume of transactions.
As the digital asset market continues to grow, so do the regulations. Cold storage is quickly becoming a requirement in various geographies by regulators because of the increased level of security it provides to protect these valuable assets. In today's cold storage solutions, the online system receives transaction requests, and the offline system handles the transaction signings, but the two systems are never connected directly. The data center admin has to walk the transaction request over via a USB stick or laptop to the offline system to get it signed. Then they walk the signed transaction back to the online system, making it a very manual process. When it comes to these offline or physically air-gapped cold storage solutions, there are several limitations, including privileged administrator access, operational costs and errors, and the inability to scale. All these limitations are due to one underlying factor: human interaction. IBM HyperProtect Offline Signing Orchestrator solves the challenge with today's cold storage options and signing of digital assets, providing both high security and efficiency. Offline Signing Orchestrator brokers communications between two different physically isolated applications that are designed not to communicate directly with each other. This is ideal for digital asset custodians building their end-to-end solutions to ensure data is secure and tamper-proof, while also providing access to faster and more frequent transactions. IBM HyperProtect Offline Signing Orchestrator is deployed in IBM HyperProtect virtual servers on logical partitions, also known as LPARs, on IBM Z or IBM Linux 1. Each LPAR has its own operating system, memory, and hypervisor, and has been evaluated under the common criteria at Evaluated Assurance Level 5+. This is considered as strong as using different hardware because the isolation prevents an application running on one LPAR from accessing application data running on a different LPAR on the same system, providing technical assurance that no one, including the system administrator, can access the system. Additionally, it is considered better than physically air-gapped because there is no network connection, which eliminates the network attack vector. Offline Signing Orchestrator leverages encrypted memory communication that is unidirectional. Offline Signing Orchestrator is also designed to have policy-based workflows where auditors can approve and deny transactions following defined rule sets, and time-based security reduces risks of fake manipulations or forced attacks. Together, these solutions provide end-to-end protection, from deployment of the data to data in use, because it is technically assured that nothing can be manipulated. HyperProtect Offline Signing Orchestrator reduces the risk of an insider attack because the data center admin with privileged access to the USB stick or laptop are no longer necessary. Also, because of the time-based security features that can be set to determine how often a transaction is signed and published to the blockchain, forced attacks are deterred. It reduces operational execution costs as there is no need to pay for the additional data center admins to perform these manual tasks. Operational error risks caused by human interaction are eliminated because the transaction process is automated. Lastly, it allows for scalability of the amount of transactions that can be handled on a daily basis by following defined policies enabling clients to grow their business while also meeting the increasing regulations around cold storage.
Go to IBM Digital Assets Infrastructure website to learn more and get started with HyperProtect Offline Signing Orchestrator now.